Earn $400 with just one single click. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can earn $400 in one single click. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this opportunity here today, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at this opportunity, which is another great way to make money online. Let's get started. Alright, so the site that we are going to have a look at here is Snapwire. You find it on snapwi.re actually. And by having a closer look here first, you can see that it says your visual custom content machine. Snapwire's custom content platform makes it easy to get the unique photos and videos you need. Big or small, Snapwire has the platform to create quality visual on your terms. So basically, there is companies, there are agencies that are coming here that search for custom content, custom photos, and that is where you can come in here and make the money, of course. So let's have a closer look first here at the details. You can see that it is a global reach, it's cost effective on brand, for agencies, as I said earlier here, for enterprises, for brands, all the content you need in one place. Localized marketing is of course a key driver, so that is why this is a great worldwide opportunity actually. So you can see here 30% increase in conversion rate from custom content is where they tell you that the custom content is definitely much better than just using some royalty free in overall general picture or something like that. Trusted by brands everywhere. You can see that it is trusted by really big companies here. Over 54,000 plus successful assignments and counting. So we are interested actually in the shooters section. Okay, so let's go first to the learn more here. Alright, so earn money with your shots, showcase your unique style to buyers around the world. You can see here, shoot to earn, you take on Snapwire challenge, read the creative brief and submit your best shots. Favorites are nominated and the best ones are bought. You get access if buyers nominate your work, you level up. So there is some levels here actually, we're going to have a look at that. This earns you access to live buyer requests and commissions assignments. And of course you build your portfolio, so your best shots you can also be selected to move into the marketplace, making it available for their buyers here to purchase directly. So the next sections would be the payouts. There is a section about the leveling. Let's have a look at the payouts first. You can see here as a Snapwire creator, you will earn income each time one of your approved shots is downloaded. So you keep 100% on custom requests and challenges and 50% on subscriptions. Now I'm not going to go into details here because you can have a look at this for yourself actually. There's no need for me to just read through everything. And there is the leveling section also here. So you can see here quality control levels. Levels turn creativity from a passion to livelihood, and it explains everything on how the levels works and how you can earn these points here. So as I said earlier, have a look at it for yourself actually. No need for me to just read through and go ahead. Now basically this is available here, you can see on the App Store and Google Play, so we can have a look at it on Google Play here. So Snapwire is a platform that connects a new generation of photographers with brands and businesses around the world. Photographers get access to real-time paid photo requests and challenges. Photographers can also sell photos directly from their own portfolios in a growing stock photo marketplace. Snapwire is your home for selling all your creative photography. Alright, so here also they explain actually it has been proven to boost engagement and increase conversion, so your best authentic photos are in high demand, okay? Exactly as we have had a look at earlier here. By having a look at the screenshot, look at this, you can see here, you basically participate in the challenge here, and this has been paid out for $100. Look at this, mom and child with grocery bags in kitchen, $400, okay? The next one here is $250, so you can clearly see that they do have paid out pretty good amounts. Look at this, holiday season, $300, okay? This challenge is about the holiday season, the best photo gets $300, and the most creative, and so on here. So I mean, there is tons of ways and opportunities here. It's all about just taking pictures here with one single click, and you can make this amount and even more there. Now, of course, you probably won't make money with all the challenges for sure, because not everyone wants all your photos there. But it's definitely a good way to actually upload from your gallery. Of course, if you have photos, just upload them. It doesn't cost you anything. It will only take you time. You can see here, submit photos from your gallery, camera, or cloud there. And you will have a chance, because when someone needs that photo, you can make money on it. Of course, if you win the challenge, you will make even more money. So as I said earlier here, this is not something that you can rely on probably and make a passive income online, a full passive income online, build a real sustainable online business with. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. It really helps a lot. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. Subscribe to both. Make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.